Jangam JS, Assistant Professor in Electronics Department, Raj Shikshan Sanstha, SGM College Karad. Today we will discuss the topic logic gates. We will discuss general introduction of logic gates. Logic gates are the devices. It is also considered as the basic building blocks of digital circuit. The main basic logic gates are the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate, etc. Generally we have to use different rules and theorems to analyze the digital circuit. But by connecting the gates, we mentioned earlier, in different ways we can build the circuit that performs arithmetic and other functions that associate with human brain. Then logic gates is the electronic circuit. Logic gate is the electronic circuit having two inputs or more than two inputs and only one output. Next is the classification of logic gates. In the classification of logic gates, the logic gates are classified into three categories. First is basic gate, second one is universal gate, third one is derived gate. In basic gates, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three are included into the basic gates. Then second one is universal gate. In universal gate, NAND gate and NOR gate are classified or included into universal gate. Then third one is the derived gate. In derived gate, X NOR and X OR. These two are included into the derived gate. Then we will in detail discuss about the AND gate. AND gate is also logical gate. It performs logical multiplication on its input. Firstly, we will see the logical symbol, Boolean equation and truth table of AND gate. First is the logical symbol. In logical symbol of AND gate, there are two inputs. First is A, second is B, and the output, only one output is 1. Then second is Boolean equation. What is Boolean equation? Boolean equation is the expression that is relating to the input and output of the gate. It's called as Boolean equation. Then Boolean equation of AND gate is y is equal to a dot b, where dot between a and b represent multiplication, where by putting or by substituting the different values of a and b, we can get corresponding values of the output. Then second is truth table. Truth table of the AND gate is as where a and b, these two are the inputs, y is the input. Where both inputs are low, at that time we get output low. Where any of one of the input is high, at that time also we get output is low. Where in third condition, first output is high, second is low, at that time output is also low. That means when both inputs are high, at that time we get output high. Then second one is the OR gate. In OR gate is also logic gate. It performs logical addition on its input. Then we can see here, this is the logical symbol, this is the Boolean equation of OR gate, and this is the truth table of OR gate. In logical symbol, A and B, these two are the inputs, Y is the output. Then the Boolean equation of OR gate, Y is equal to A plus B. That means output is equal to addition of both inputs, that is A and B. Then truth table, also by substituting the different values of A and B, we can get corresponding output values of the OR gate. Then second is the truth table. Truth table of the OR gate is as where A and B, these two are the inputs, and output is equal to Y is equal to A plus B, that is the addition of two inputs. Where 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, that is when two inputs are low, at that time output is low. And in second condition, output first is low, second is high, at that time we get output high, because 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. In third condition, first output is high, first input is high, second input is low, at that time output is high. In third condition, both inputs are high, at that time we get output high. This is our OR gate. Then second one, basic gate, is the NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as the inverting gate because its input is the complement of its output or the complement of input. So we can see here, this is the logical symbol of NOT gate, this is the Boolean equation of NOT gate, and this is the truth table of NOT gate. Here A is the only one input and Y is the only one output of the NOT gate. Where Boolean equation of NOT gate is Y is equal to A bar. That means Y is the output and A is the input of inversion. That means Y is equal to A bar, means output is equal to complement of input. Then we can see here truth table of the NOT gate, where input A and output Y. When input is low, at that time we will get output is high. When input is high, at that time output is low. What we see from this, where 0 is the complement of 1 and 1 is the complement of 0. These are our basic